Hey guys! Welcome back again for another makeup video. You know the drill. Pe-prep ko muna lips ko with this Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm. Next, I'm going to moisturize my face using this The Therapy First Serum by The Face Shop. And of course, I'll prime my face using this Laura Mercier Foundation Primer in Radiance. Magko-color correct ako using this Bobby Cosmetics Don't Go With The Flaw Color Corrector Plus Concealer Palette. For foundation, imimix ko to Maybelline Superstay Liquid Foundation in 220 Natural Beige and Maybelline Fit Me in 330 Toffee. For concealer naman, I will use this Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. Set everything with this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. Same eyebrow routine using this Trimony eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to clean and carve out the brows using concealer. For my eyes, eyes, gagamitin ko tong purple shade at ilalagay ko all over my lids. And this hot pink shade to buff out the edges. And of course, don't forget the tight line. For falsies, I will use this Biason in 3D67 with this Fashion 21 eyelash adhesive. For mascara naman, gagamitin ko tong Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. And this hot pink shimmer para sa aking inner corners. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so naglagay lang ako ng mga bato-bato dyan. And now, time for contour. Gagamitin ko tong Bobbi Cosmetics Insta-Runway Ready Contour Kit. And carve that contour with some loose powder. For blush, I will use this shade from the same contour kit. To finish up the eyes, I will use this shade for my lower lash line. Para sa highlighter, gagamitin ko tong City Color Glow Duo. For the lips naman, gagamitin ko tong I Love Makeup Liquid Matte Lip Color in the shade Crush. And this Revlon Super Luscious Lipstick in Rose Wine on the inner part of my lips to add some gradient effect. And finally, set everything with some setting spray. this is my purple and pink smoky eye makeup look. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified. Till next one!